Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's Sunday classes, we are going to see a quiz on GK. Okay, are you ready children? Let us start the quiz. Good. See here the first question. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Which animal we call as the sheep of the desert? Yes, the animal which lives in the desert area, and it can live for a long time even without water also. So that is why this animal is called sheep of the desert. Did you get that animal name? Yes, it is camel. Very good. See the next question. What do you call the person who brings a letter to your home from the post office? Who is that person who will bring those post covers or letters to our home? What do you call him? Yes, he is called postman. Postman will bring the letters to our home. Isn't it children? Yes, postman brings letters to our home. Next question. See the next question here. What color symbolizes peace? So to represent peace, which color generally we show? Which color represents the peace? What is that color children? It is white. White color symbolizes peace. Isn't it? This white color is there in our national flag also. Isn't it? The middle color in our national flag is white. This white color symbolizes peace. Okay. Next question. Which is the largest fish in the world? What is the largest fish in the world, children? Can you guess it? Yes, it is whale. Whale shark. Whale shark is the largest fish in the world. It will be too big. Next question. Which is the biggest continent in the world? Yes, there are certain continents in the world. Out of those, which is the biggest continent? What is that children? Yes, the biggest continent in the world is, here it is. What is that continent called? What is that? These all will come under the biggest continent, which we call as Asia. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Okay. Next question children. See the next question. How do you relate to your maternal grandfather? So how can you relate your maternal grandfather? How do you relate? Yes, your mother's father. Maternal grandfather will be your mother's father. The father of your mother is called maternal grandfather. Okay. Next question. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Have you ever seen rainbow children? Yes, when it rain occurs, we can see often this rainbow in the sky after raining. Have you ever seen this? If you observe, how many colors will be there in a rainbow? Can you guess it? How many colors will be there? Yes, this is a rainbow. See how many colors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Do you know what these colors are called commonly children? They are called VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR means V represents violet, I represents indigo, and blue is for B. Next green. Next yellow, orange, and at last red. So if you write from this side, it will like this: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So these all together called as VIBGYOR. The colors present in a rainbow are called VIBGYOR. Means there are 7 colors, namely violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So totally how many colors, children? 7 colors. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Okay, children. Next one. How many layers are there in Earth's atmosphere? Do you know what is atmosphere, children? Yes, around the Earth there are so many gases. The gases present around the Earth are called together atmosphere. The blanket of air around the Earth is called atmosphere. This atmosphere is segregated into 5 layers. 5 layers are there in the atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere. In atmosphere there are 5 layers. Next question. In which direction does the sun rise? Have you ever seen rising of sun? You might have seen. In the early morning hours we can observe the rising of sun. In which direction it comes? Yes, we might have observed this, the rising sun in the east. Sun rises in east direction. Isn't it, children? Have you observed it? In the early mornings, if we come out from our home, if we observe once the sun coming out there, we can understand that is east direction. Sun rises in east direction. Okay. Next question. How many days are there in a year? Yes, how many days will be there in one year, children? We know an year is containing totally 12 months. So these all days, if we count, we get it as 365 days. So in all the years there will be 365 days in each year. Of course, some years will be there, we call them leap years. Those years contain 1 day extra. Those we call leap years. They contain 366 days. But in normal, all the years they contain 365 days. There are 365 days in a year. Okay, children. Next one. A figure with 8 sides is called. What do we call a figure which is having 8 sides? If there are 3 sides, we know we call that as a triangle. Isn't it? If there are 4 sides, it is called a square. In the similar way, if a figure, if it is having 8 sides, then what do we call that figure, children? Do you know that? Can you guess it? Yes. See here, this figure is containing totally 8 sides. This kind of figures with 8 sides are called as octagon. What did it, children? Octagon. The figure with 8 sides is called octagon. Okay. Next question. Which is the longest river in the world? Yes, so many rivers are there in the world. In our country also there are so many important rivers. Have you heard any river name? Krishna, Ganga, Godavari, these all are rivers in our country. Now here the question is, which is the longest river in the world? Do you know? Yes, it is Nile. Nile river is the longest river in the world. It is there in Egypt. This Nile river is there in Egypt, which is the longest river among all the rivers. Okay. Next question. What is a baby frog called? the small frog, the baby frog, what it is called? See, at the baby frog will be seems like this. What do we call this baby frog? Can you guess it? Yes, it is called tadpole. A baby frog is called tadpole. Okay, children. Next question. Agra is situated on the bank of which river? On which river's bank Agra city is situated, children? Agra is famous for what? Yes, we know Agra is famous for the marble construction Taj Mahal, one of the wonders in the world, isn't it? This is Taj Mahal is present in Agra. And on which river's bank this Agra city is present? Do you know? Yes, it is Yamuna river. On the banks of this Yamuna river, this Agra city is situated. Okay, children. Next question. Which is the largest plateau in the world? There are so many plateaus. So which is the largest plateau in the world? It is Tibet. Tibetan plateau is the largest plateau in the world. Okay. Next question. Which planet is nearest to the Earth, children? Yes, how many planets are there in the solar system? Yes, there are 8 planets which are revolving around the sun. Out of these all, which is the planet nearest to the Earth? Can you guess it? Yes, it is Venus. Venus planet is nearest to the Earth out of all the remaining. Okay. Next question. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Yes, there are saltwater lakes and freshwater lakes. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Can you guess, children? It is Lake Superior. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Okay. Next question. Which is the tallest mountain in the world, children? There are so many mountains in our country also, isn't it? So, which is the tallest mountain in the world? Can you guess it? Yes, it is present in Himalayas in our country. At the north side of our country, there are Himalayas. In those Himalayas, this tallest mountain is also there. What it is called? Yes, the tallest mountain is called Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world among all the mountains. Okay, children? Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Next question. How many days are there in a leap year? Yes, in the earlier one of the questions we have seen. How many days are there in a year? Generally, in every year, there will be 365 days. Isn't it, children? Yes, but in the leap year, especially February will come with 29 days. 1 day extra will come in February in the leap year. Okay, because of that, leap year will be containing 366 days. 1 day extra will come in that year. This leap year comes once after 4 years. Once in every 4 years. So this leap year will contain 366 days. Whereas normal years they will be containing 365 days. Why? Because in the leap years February month will be with 29 days. 1 day extra is there. Whereas in the normal years February month will come with only 28 days. So because of this 1 day extra in February, leap year will be containing 366 days. Okay, children? Leap year has 366 days. Next. See the next question. which first electrical item did Thomas Edison invent? Sorry, which first electrical item did Thomas Alva Edison invent? Thomas Alva Edison invented so many electrical equipments. So out of those all, which was the first electrical item he discovered? What is it, children? What was the first electrical item which was discovered by Thomas Alva Edison? Yes, it was electrical bulb. We said light bulb. So even after so many experiments, first he discovered this electrical bulb. Who was the scientist? Thomas Alva Edison. He discovered for the first time this electrical light bulb. Okay, children. Next, which is the biggest sea animal? The biggest sea animal is yes, can you guess, children? The biggest sea animal is dolphin. Dolphin is the biggest sea animal, and it is called mammal also. Okay, biggest sea animal is dolphin. Next question, which is the hardest substance available on the earth? The hardest substance. What is it, children? Can you guess? The hardest substance available on the earth? Yes, it is diamond. Diamond is the man-known hardest substance. That is why for cutting diamonds they use one more diamond only. They cannot cut with any other instruments. That much hard it is. So diamonds are the hardest substances available on the earth. It is diamond. Okay, children. Next one. How many straight edges does a cube have? How many sides will be there? Straight sides for edges for a cube. Have you seen any cube? Say suppose this is a cube. How many straight edges are there for this cube? Straight edge means suppose this is one straight edge and this is one straight edge. Here it is one more straight edge and it is one more straight edge. If we count like that, how many straight edges are there for a cube? Can you count, children? Yes. What it is? There will be 12 side straight edges for a cube. A cube has 12 straight edges. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4 this side. At the bottom also there are 4. And at the sides, this is one straight edge. This is one straight edge. And here it is one more. On the other side one more will be there. Totally up 4, down 4. At sides there are 4 more. Totally 12 edges are there for a cube. Okay, children. Next question. What is the hottest continent on the earth? So out of all the continents, in the earlier question we have seen the biggest continent is Asia. Now the question is the hottest continent, where the continent with the highest temperature. What is it continent? Yes, it is Africa. Africa continent is the hottest continent among all those. Okay, their temperature is very high. Okay, next question, children. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? What is it? There are so many organs in our body. Out of those all, the sensitive organ in our body. What is it, children? Yes, it is skin. Skin is the most sensitive organ in our body. Okay, children. This is a general knowledge GK test for today's Sunday program. Thank you for watching our video, children. Please subscribe our YouTube channel AIMS Today and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. And also please visit our website aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, do it yourself activities, English classes and coding. Okay, thank you, children.